to enable face detection to verify securely with Samsung Pass in Samsung Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus. Open Settings. From a home screen, swipe up or down from the center of the display to access the app's screen. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap General Management. Tap Language and Input. Tap Autofill Service. Tap Autofill with Samsung Pass. Tap Autofill Settings icon. Tap Enter Samsung account password. Enter your password, and then tap Confirm. Tap face switch until blue to enable, or tap until gray to disable. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.